Hey everyone, you're having a night out with friends, and everyone's splitting the bill. Or perhaps you're sending a birthday gift to a loved one who lives far away. Whatever the reason, knowing how to send money easily and securely is a valuable skill. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Monzo and learn how to effortlessly transfer funds to anyone, anywhere. What is Monzo? Monzo is a popular digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including a mobile app that allows you to manage your money on the go. One of its most useful features is the ability to send money to friends, family, or even businesses. Step-by-step guide to sending money on Monzo. Open the Monzo app. The first step is to open the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Find the Send Money feature. Look for the Send Money button or icon. It's usually located on the main screen or in the menu. Choose a recipient. Asterisk, you have a few options here. Contacts. If the person you want to send money to is already in your contacts list, you can select them directly. Search. If they're not in your contacts, you can search for them by name or phone number. QR code. You can also scan a QR code to send money to someone. Enter the amount. Once you've selected the recipient, enter the amount of money you want to send. You can also add a note or message if you wish. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of the transfer and confirm that everything is correct. Monzo will usually provide a summary screen before you finalize the transaction. Choose a payment method. If you have multiple Monzo accounts, you can choose which one to use for the transfer. You might also have the option to use a different payment method, such as a debit card. Complete the transfer. Once you've confirmed the details and payment method, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. The money will typically be transferred immediately. Additional tips and tricks. Request money. In addition to sending money, you can also request money from others using the Monzo app. This is a convenient way to split bills or collect money for group purchases. Asterisk. Recurring payments. If you need to send money to someone regularly, you can set up recurring payments. This is a great option for things like rent, bills, or subscriptions. Asterisk. International transfers. Monzo allows you to send money internationally. However, there might be fees associated with these transfers, so it's important to check the terms and conditions. Asterisk. Security. Monzo takes security very seriously. Your transactions are protected by advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication. Asterisk. Conclusion. As you can see, sending money on Monzo is a simple and straightforward process. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or sending a gift to a loved one, Monzo makes it easy to transfer funds quickly and securely. With Monzo, you can say goodbye to the hassle of cash or checks. It's a convenient and modern way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.